So guys, yes, today I'm planning to select SBI and stock to trade. So we'll be trading on SBI stock. So let's see how the stock will perform. Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel. So guys, yes, today is 18th of November and the time is almost 9:10 now. So let's see how the pre-open market has opened. So going to the pre-open market page, here you can see the market is opening at minus 0.05% down at 17,890.55. Advanced stocks are 24, declines are 20 and unchanged is 6 stocks. Okay, so this is how the pre-open market has opened, and now let's see the stock which is opening in the most gap up section, that is Britannia with 0.82% up and Asian Paint with 0.61% up. And coming to the stock which is opening in the most gap down section, that would be Divis Lab with 0.84% down and Grasim with 0.53% down. So yes, so if you guys can see, this is how the pre-open market has opened. So not in a more gap up or gap down section, it's just a 0.05% of change. So yes, let's see how the stock will perform today and how the market will be today, and I'll show you the live trade what I do today. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. And also guys, I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. Okay, so the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So if you guys are interested to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us today. So you can go inside the blog spot, the link is in the description below of this video. So there's a lot of clients who has taken our course and now they are making consistent profit. So you can go through all of this earning proof, and if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit like this in intraday trading. So you can watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. So guys, yes, today I'm planning to select SBI and stock to trade. So we'll be trading on SBI stock. So let's see how the stock will perform for the day. So right now I'm planning to buy SBI and stock in the market level. So yes, bought it now around 503. So guys, yes, as you guys can see, the stock made a high of 504.45. The moment is a bit slower in this stock, so that's why I'm just holding it. So once it touches 505, I should take my exit. So guys, yes, as you guys can see, this stock has made a high of 504.75 now. Okay, so today it was an expiry day of for the options, and weekly expiry was there, so all these things. So that's why the stock went down today. Yes, it did go more down, but I know there was a strong support there, so that's why I held it. And anyway, it came up till 504.75. So we'll see if it can touch 505 today or not. So we'll wait for it for some time, and once it touches 505, we'll exit it. So I bought it around 503. It has come back to that level, and it has also given like a 1.5 rupees up movement also, but we'll see if it can touch 505. So guys, yes, if you guys can see, the stock has been very volatile today, and it has made a new high of 506.15. Yes, the stock did come up. I just kept my target around 505, somewhere around there, and I left it, and I was not seeing it. But now when I just checked the SBI price, and I just checked that it has made a high of 506.15, and my order of 505 somewhere was executed. Okay, so anyways guys, this was the profit what I was able to book today, the today's trade of SBIN. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to learn all these techniques of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us now. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program, and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also, these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos, a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to recover your losses from today and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.